In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a calendar appointment in Outlook 2025. Managing your schedule is important, and from time to time, things come up that require you to adjust appointments. Thankfully, Outlook 2025 makes this a smooth and straightforward process. Let's dive into how you can edit your calendar appointments with ease. First, we need to access Microsoft Outlook. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Microsoft's Outlook service. Once the web page loads, you'll want to look towards the top right section of your screen. There you'll find an option labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This is critical, of course, because we need to access your personal calendar, which is synced with your email account. Log in with your credentials, ensuring that you've typed everything correctly. If you've forgotten your password, there should be a link to help you recover it. Once you're logged into Outlook, shift your focus to the left side of the interface. You'll notice a menu here. Find the calendar icon, which is where all your scheduled commitments are stored. Click on this to open your calendar view. Now let's find the specific appointment you wish to edit. In most cases, your appointments are laid out in an easy to navigate format such as a daily or weekly schedule. Once you've located the appointment that needs a change, double click on it. This action opens up the details of that particular event. You'll see an edit button on the interface. Click this and you'll be taken to a more detailed menu that enables you to modify whatever aspects of the appointment you need to. It might be the time, the location, or perhaps additional notes you wish to add. If your appointment is recurring, you'll also have the option to edit only this event rather than the entire series. Select this event only if you wish to make changes to a single occurrence. Now make the necessary adjustments to your appointment. Review carefully to ensure every detail reflects the changes you wish to implement. Clarity here can save you and whoever else is involved in the appointment from potential confusion down the line. Finally, once you're satisfied with the modifications, look for the Save button. Clicking Save confirms your changes and updates your calendar. It's crucial as this completes the editing process and secures the changes you have made. And there you have it. With these steps, you've efficiently edited a calendar appointment in Outlook 2025, ensuring your schedule reflects your current needs. Remember, keeping an updated and accurate calendar is an essential part of efficient time management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.